Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to get a new card from Capital One in 2025. Whether you're building credit, earning rewards, or just upgrading your wallet, Capital One has options that might be perfect for you. Let's break this down step by step so you can apply with confidence. First off, before you dive in, check your eligibility. Capital One cards often require a decent credit score, so use a free tool like Credit Karma to see where you stand. This will save you time and avoid any disappointments. Did you know that in 2025, Capital One is emphasizing digital tools for easier applications? That's right, it's more user-friendly than ever. Next, head over to the Capital One website at CapitalOne.com. Once there, browse their selection of cards. From no-fee options like the Quicksilver to travel rewards with the Venture X, there's something for everyone. Take a minute to compare features based on your spending habits. Do you want cash back on groceries or perks for travel? Now, for the application process. Click Apply Now on your chosen card. You'll need to enter personal details like your name, address, income, and social security number. Be honest and accurate to speed things up. The form is straightforward, but double-check for any errors before submitting. After you submit, Capital One will review your application. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to a week, depending on your credit history. If approved, you'll get a confirmation email, and your card will arrive in the mail soon after. Keep an eye on your inbox. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you're new to credit, consider a secured card. Also, read the terms and conditions carefully to understand fees and rewards. And remember, responsible use can help boost your credit score over time. There you have it. Getting a new Capital One card in 2025 is easier than you think. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to better financial tools. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.